Tell me about your sedation course.
Well, it's a sedation course. It's a 3-day course, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So have like a long weekend event. A lot of doctors like to come to the city because, by the way, it's in the city of Ventura, beautiful city.
By the beach, right?
By the beach, by the beach. I love the city. It was my favorite city before I started practice. In fact, I was like to start a practice in the city I loved. It was a very good combination. So a lot of activities for the family to do there if you choose to bring the family with.
Okay.
Go back to the course. It's 3 days. Accredited by anyone can accredit courses. From the Board of California, accredited by the American Dental Association. So when you finish the course, the 3-day, you send your papers to the certificate to the board, boom, you get the permit, the license right away. You can check basically as far as the curriculum, the website. What makes our course unique is that it's taught by somebody who does this every day.
You.
Me, because I practice, my hands are wet. It's important to have somebody teach you who does this every day for the last 25 years.
Okay.
Also, one important thing, I am certified for IV. So I do IV and oral, both. So I can relate the whole spectrum of sedation, from very light sedation to deeper sedation, we do IV. My hands are wet. So everything we teach during the course comes from experience. We have our fair share of mishaps, our fair share of unexpected things because we're doing this for a very long time. The focus of the course is safety. And one thing important, do not take it lightly. It is not about taking a pill and somebody sleeps and you do the work. No, it's an art into it. There is an art.
There's an art.
So, tremendously art. There's a lot of spectrum of drugs you can use to better get the effect. Let me give you an example. If you do, a dentist does endo, do they have one size file, number 15, or they have different sizes to do better endo? They have different sizes. Those who do implant surgery, they have one drill, just one size, or they have different systems, different drills to better prepare the osteotomy. So that's the same. If you use one pill one time for all patients, you're average. So we'll teach you different drugs, different techniques over the years have been using for better outcomes. So you get it's fun, it's very interactive because you have live patient demonstrations. You will see in action the patient's perception, how to monitor, how to basically evaluate the patient, the results. Plenty of discussion because we keep it in a small group. It's not a big audience. We give you like 15, 10 people, 6 people. That's the range of people we have for the course. We don't like big audience because a bigger audience, there's no interaction anymore. So we stop the lecture anytime anybody has any question of any kind. And sometimes actually the interaction is more useful than the slides I'm showing you. Because to tell you a complication I had 10 years ago, 15 years ago, or somebody else had, it's more take home than read for you a slide back in the board.
Okay.
So very interactive, in a nice area, and we'd love to meet you. Nice, I like it's a nature because I teach at Loma Linda for a very long time. We teach now in our facility. It's something I always like to teach, and I believe all the experience we have as dentists needs to be somehow conveyed. So this is a venue for us to all this experience we have over the years to convey back to you.
How does somebody sign up for the course? They just do it online? Do they
They
call?
can do online. They can take our website. They have a window there, forms. You download the form, you send to us. You can call our office to sign up. 3 days, you come to our place. I can give you recommendations for restaurants, beautiful restaurants, by the way. Restaurants by the beach. Restaurants you remember. You make it a memorable experience for those who come who are not familiar with California. You will remember the weekend. Malibu, it's an hour away. Malibu. LA, it's an hour away. We can recommend you restaurants, place to do
And
activities.
Santa Barbara wine tasting is like a half an hour away.
Half an hour away. It's fantastic. Basically, it's going to be a nice experience besides the course.